Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today we're going to show you how to make smoked spaghetti squash Alfredo with the help of my mother, the host of Life Grows at the Farmer's Market. So we don't really have a spaghetti squash, so we just brought to represent this spaghetti and squash. But tell us where we're getting this information from.
So our show, Life Grows at the Farmer's Market, we visit farmers markets around the country. And this summer, or fall, we're visiting with the Roberts family farm in Layton, Utah. And Devin showed us this recipe. And it is so good. You do it on your grill, hot summer day.
What's it called? Smoked spaghetti squash Alfredo.
Yes.
Let's get started.
So what I like to do with this, I'll cut it in half. You got to have a really sharp knife, and try not to cut your fingers off. They are hard.
I know, so you do cut it before cooking it at all.
A lot of people have been telling me that they'll put it in the microwave for just 2 or 3 minutes, and it'll soften it. I've never tried that.
Okay, so you cut it in
what
half
I'll
with
do is I'll cut just a little bit off of each end so I can cut it up. And cut it that way. Scoop the seeds out, and I will just put a little bit of olive oil on it, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and put it face up in the grill. Face up. Indirect heat works best.
Indirect. Face up, indirect heat.
Yep, it takes
little olive oil, salt and pepper.
Takes about 45 minutes.
Okay.
At about 350, 375, I try and keep my grill. And then for the last 10 or 15 minutes, I'll mix up a simple Alfredo sauce.
So you've sliced it in half, you've done your olive oil, your salt and pepper, face up.
Once it's fork tender, so you kind of pull the strings away.
30 minutes, 45?
About 45 minutes is what I've seen.
Okay.
And then, it's a simple Alfredo sauce. It's
what do you use in yours?
So 8 tablespoons of butter.
8 tablespoons butter.
8 ounces of cream cheese.
Ooh, this is 8 ounces cream cheese.
8 ounces of heavy cream.
8 ounces heavy cream.
And then 8 ounces of Parmesean.
So it's 8 times 4.
Yep.
So you've got your heavy cream, butter.
Butter. Cream cheese, heavy
cream, and Parmesan. Butter,
mix that all up, and then, that's your simple Alfredo. I like to add garlic, so I'll add 3 or 4 cloves.
And you're out of your garlic.
We sold out. Yes, it was a hot commodity this year.
Oh my goodness, I usually stack up on that for the winter too.
We're gonna double up on that.
Plant more next year.
Plant next year, yeah.
Okay, and then when it's
done, when it's done, then you scoop that in.
Pour the Alfredo sauce in.
Leave it on for another 10 or 15 minutes till you get a little brown crust on the top.
So it's that good caramelized, crispy kind of thing.
Yep. And then just use that as your bowl.
Oh my word. Dinner tomorrow.
Yep.
I love it.